What's going on, everybody? So it's day 4. Last night the last thing we did was we pulled off the portal here, so they got that in there now. They've cracked it open. They put new seals and gonna put some new portal blood and everything in there, get it ready to go. And then the next thing is to put it back on.
I can feel the power, I can feel the power. Feel the power. Yeah, money that is time and hour. So, yeah, well, I better activate the power. I'ma activate it, gotta make it, gotta chase it. I don't care what they be saying, I'ma do it now. And I've been really safe and I ain't giving up and I ain't giving in. Do it now for the dividends, I'll be on the path.
We got the trans back here, so they have to finish rebuilding it.
Cause I got my mind on some bigger things, so man, I ain't gonna give in now. I just gotta live this now. I be gonna be when I'ma kill this stuff real quick. I'ma go take it to town, cause I gotta be that king in the ring when I'm knocking them out when I'm back with the wheel. Cause I am just up on the journey, you just know that I'm just going insane. Monster, there's some things that I might see, and when I do, I could never get no sleep. Cause I just need to get it, man, I need to be the thing that I just painted out, man, you won't go see.
Yeah, so we got the tire back on, we got it all put back together over here. Everything buttoned up, everything looking good. The only thing is that we weren't able to get a brake line over here, so it's just gonna have to ride like that right here. That's where that abrasion was, but it'll be all right. I don't need to stop anyway. But yep, next thing's left is a transmission, and we'll get all that buttoned up, and we'll put the bed back on, get all this stuff put back together, and be ready to rip.
I can feel the power, I can feel the power. Feel the power. Yeah, money that is time and hour. So, yeah, well, I better activate the power. I'ma activate it, gotta make it, gotta chase it. I don't care what they be saying, I'ma do it now. And I've been really safe and I ain't giving up and I ain't giving in. Do it now for the dividends, I'll be on the path, I just gotta get it. Cause I got my mind on some bigger things, so man, I ain't gonna give in now. I just gotta live this now. I be gonna be when I'ma kill this stuff real quick. I'ma go take it to town, cause I gotta be that king in the ring when I'm knocking them out when I'm back with the wheel. Cause I am just up on the journey, you just know that I'm just going insane. monster, there's some things that I might see. And when I do, I could never get no sleep. Cause I just need to get it, man, I need to be the thing that I just painted out, man, you won't go see. See my vision, I'll be in it, I'ma kill it, I'ma take it all. Coming in, I'ma play it now, I'ma kill him dark, I'ma play the ball. Cause I gotta go and get it, man, I really just need it. Tell these guys that they can beat it, I'ma give it, I'ma grab it, man. Take it, never receive it, I'ma make it mine. I'm explosive like a mine, I've been working every time. Yeah, I do it on the grind, I'ma shine.
What's going on, guys? So it's about 2:45. We finally got everything buttoned back up, everything put together. So we're gonna get this loaded up. We got everything else loaded up, and probably catch us 2-3 hours nap or so, and we'll be headed out to Red Creek here shortly. But yeah, guys, if you want to see more series like this, you know, stay tuned for more. If you're not subscribed already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Tell y'all guys, it's been a wild 4 days trying to get this bike rebuilt. Not rebuilt, but everything freshened up for the next couple rides we got going on. But yeah, man, y'all like, comment, and subscribe for more. I'll see y'all later.